How to fix login error in the first Descendant. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you some of the methods that you can follow in order to fix the game login failed issue in the first Descendant game. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is you need to simply check for your internet connection. So you need to ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. Restart your router or your modem and try reconnecting to a different network to see if the issue persists. Then the second method that you can try is you can simply update the game, and if the update doesn't work then you can even reinstall the game. So make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches and updates to fix the bugs and improve the performance. If the issue continues, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help resolve any corrupted files that might causing the login error. You can even try verifying the game server status. So you need to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. You can usually find the information on the game's official website or on the social media channels. If the servers are down, then you may need to wait until they are back online. If there are no reported issues, you can also reach out to the game's support team for further assistance. So these are some of the methods that you can try to fix the login error in the first Descendant game. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.